One of the areas that architecture and engineering firms struggle with is communication. See, there's often a divide inside the firm between the teams that handle the financial side of things, whether that's back office doing invoicing, or partners or certain individuals that are in charge of estimating and budgeting projects, and ultimately measuring the financial outcomes and profitability of those projects, and the rest of the team that's more focused on managing milestones and deliverables and actually doing the work that goes to the client. When you have that divide, you run into a lot of issues like overruns on budgets and missed milestones and miscommunications about the expectations of what's going to be billed, when, how much time should be allotted for certain tasks, and issues around profitability and whether or not teams are being properly allocated to the right amount of work so that invoicing matches the amount of effort you're putting in and how much your client is expecting to pay. Any break in communication on any of those points could be dollars left on the table. Now, this also causes stress with your team, which in turn can affect the work product and then causes stress between you and your client. Basically, there's a cascading effect to having poor communication between the implementers and the folks that are maybe estimating and measuring the success of projects. So why not use a tool that provides the exact amount of visibility that each team member needs into what's been estimated, where they're at in tracking hours and dollars to a project, and ultimately what's getting invoiced to your client and the resulting profitability. Check out Factor, a tool built specifically for architecture and engineering firms to modernize their workflows and the way that they communicate with one another throughout the firm to make your projects more successful.